Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have homemade Philly cheesesteak with seasoned fries. Now the fries are not homemade, but that's okay. The Philly cheesesteak is.
Yes.
And I don't have an outfit of the day for you today, but I'll have one for you tomorrow.
Family, first lady was rushing me and telling me, let's go, let's go, let's go. And nothing was ready. Always rushing people and then nothing ready, yo.
If you're going to tell the story right.
Tell the story.
Don't lie.
It's not nice to lie.
Tell
the story.
First of all, you need to lower your voice. Okay. You're too loud.
Tell the story.
I'll tell you about that loud talking.
The boss have spoken, so don't tell me to talk loud.
He always think if he yells that makes him right. It doesn't make you right, it just makes you loud.
You chat too much in my nobody asking that. Alright, family. We ain't got that good. Where's the napkins? You got them over here? Okay. Alright. Where's the burn on them? You done?
No.
Enough burn on me now in there, so they don't.
Richie's never ready.
Family, I'm always
I don't
ready.
like my food to be cold. So I wait till the last minute. I tell Richie, okay, mind you, I gotta cook the food, do outfit of the day,
Family.
set up the camera, set up the food, and all Richie gotta do is put a shirt on and a hat. And I have to always wait for him.
Family, food. I'm always ready with time to food.
Right.
I gotta make sure I look for a good word of wisdom for y'all. I gotta make sure I do all that. I'm gonna say to Jumper, come on, the food not even ready.
Yeah, but you have all day to do that.
I ready to beat too much.
Yeah.
You know. I gotta have the grace to win the what? You finish it. If you know it, you finish it. So look, what do you want? Some Gatorade? What? Chick-fil-A?
Thank you. Okay, I couldn't get it out.
But look, take a look at First Lady. Oh, they could see. They could see. Wow. Look. Homemade First Lady did that. That's what First Lady does. Put some grace. Yep. Tell them what we got going on here.
This is simple. I got some top round. You can use some ribeye, but ribeye's expensive. So we use top round. It's already thinned out for you. And you cut it up. And you make like a cheese sauce. You get some provolone. Richard don't like his bread hard, crunchy, but it's not that crunchy, right? But when you have such a messy sandwich, you don't want your bread to be too soft because then it'll like be soggy.
Well, finally, no cap. Yeah. Bye for next side. I already gave y'all. Get a piece of your first day.
What? Okay.
Get a piece of your steak.
Oh, sorry. And then I have some onions, green peppers, and jalapeno that I sauteed and put them right on top.
Delicious. And we got milk.
Oh no.
So we ain't gonna do it right away. I always watch to the end, so y'all gonna see it at the end. Y'all know what y'all do. Appreciate y'all for watching.
But they might skip to the end, so it may not be in the end. It may be in the middle. But
good one. Y'all try to trick me. Good thing First Lady is my brain. You right now? So it might be in the middle. It might be to the end. They would never know.
If I was your brain, you'd be on time. I'm not your brain. You're your brain. I'm my brain, and together we're one brain. We gotta be on time.
Yeah, I'm gonna trick me. Don't worry, got me up.
This bread is a thickums. It's a thickums bread.
But it's not that. You didn't make it that much crunchy for me.
Yeah. Just
Family.
outside.
If you have Philly cheesesteak, love it, comment down. Wow. It feels good to the dripping.
Want sauce from here too? I lived in Philly for 2 years. And I lived like 10 minutes from 69th Street, Haverford Avenue.
You used to live in Philly for real?
2 years.
Born and raised. Yeah, first lady's a Philly girl.
But
Bronx in the building.
stuff happened, and I moved back to the Bronx. Best thing I did. You know, when bad things happen to you, at the moment you don't know why. But
It happened for a reason.
when you look back, the person who I was staying with, I'm glad that I wasn't staying with, that I'm not with them anymore. You know, I wasn't a man. I was very young. It was a relative. And even a relative can be your worst nightmare.
Wow.
You can manage 2 sandwiches?
Money. Like a damage. This is look. When I go to Jersey Mike, this is one sandwich.
That's true.
When I go to Jersey Mike, I buy what? Giant and Kabuba. What? What about Giant?
He buy a
Big
giant.
Kabuba.
AKA Big Kahuna.
Yeah, Kabuba. And you can manage that?
Oh, I'm done.
Family,
Cheese are dry though.
this is good. I remember when first I used to work in a restaurant, in a store. She used to come and make them good sandwich. I'm not very big, man. Yeah, she's Spain. How do y'all make your first steak? If y'all make it. What y'all liking it, or if you order, what y'all liking it? What kind of meat you like? I also like the chicken one.
Yeah. I bet you do like everything on here. It's like lettuce, tomato, mayo, ham, yam.
Remember when to give I said give me a Philly cheesesteak. I said what they said what I want on it. I tell them everything. You're not supposed to put tomatoes and nothing on the Philly cheesesteak?
I'm supposed to.
Oh.
A traditional Philly cheesesteak, no. But I mean, it's your sandwich. You do whatever you want.
They're like, what?
And in Philly, when you go there, if you don't tell them what you want, if you don't say put salt and pepper, they don't put nothing. So you have to be specific. So that's how they can tell when you're not from Philly.
Wow, delicious. Hey, any sandwich I get, I want everything on it, huh?
I know you do.
I love everything on my sandwich, you mean? Especially mayonnaise. I love the mayonnaise. I can eat just the bread and the mayonnaise alone. I love mayo. I know there's a lot of mayo lovers out there too.
Yeah.
I can't eat sandwich without no mayo on it. I don't know. Can y'all? Let me know. Because we sure can. We love our mayo. Yeah. Real talk. Family, I'm gonna give you the first bite of this one. It's the same, yes, it's the same, it look the same. Grace. If you don't like pepper, I'm sorry, but I gotta grace them up. Let me know my fillet there. Chicken fillet right here. Alright. We are on and popping. Alright, I'm gonna give y'all lovely people the first bite. Cause last time I didn't get none, you gave them some of yours. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a bite. Take a bite. Here you go. Too close to you? Alright, too close. Yeah, push it, I'm pushing up in your mouth too much. Alright, here. Reach for it. Alright, you got it. Good.
The more. Sauce me 2 times spicy. Oh my god. No, somebody make a mess, man.
No?
Come on.
Where's that?
No, I didn't spill it, just that. Because it wasn't covered all the way. Can't waste my 2 times spicy, man.
Are you love shit that shit up in front of my face?
I was covered.
This juice is so cold.
Ooh, yeah.
I'm loving it.
I'm loving it.
Jason, get the cake that next time. Sorry, you know? I don't know that's what y'all saying. Oh, he can eat the next time, right? But now I eat the mac and it.
My way, you got yummy.
Savage.
I'm gonna mess, guys.
Damn, this is good. I mean, seasoned.
Ooh, yeah, I seasoned it really well.
Your food got to be seasoned, yo.
The top round is perfect.
What?
The top round.
You call it?
Top round.
Beef?
It'll be really good if you're making beef and broccoli. I should make beef and broccoli.
You do
I
that.
might make beef and broccoli.
Comment down if you want to see the beef and broccoli.
Beef and broccoli sounds really good.
That's a go. Yo, Gatorade and drink with your freak, my youth. What are you drinking?
Water.
Well, this is my last of my grade A. This is the last one.
You asked if you what, baby?
My Gatorade.
That's your last one? Didn't you just get this yesterday?
You're done.
Oh my god.
They all done, Sharon Johnson.
You know how much I got? I drank one.
You get enough. You get enough. You don't drink Gatorade. I take them to work.
One.
I'm doing work on me. You do a good job, son. Wow. You always do a good job at the food. You always do a good job. Right, family? Thursday, you always come through.
Ooh. That was cold. I feel cold now.
That cup, man. That cup be hitting.
No more fries enough.
I don't know if I might find anyone.
No more fries.
Your family don't eat fries either?
These fries was cooked to perfection. I don't like when I make fries and I put them in the oven to stay warm. Yeah, when you make fries, you have to eat them right away.
You want to give your family the story what happened?
Oh, wow.
My nose ring.
Oh, if you want. Are you hearing a story now?
Family. Telling my business. I'm in the bathroom taking a shower and I'm washing my face because, you know, you wash your face. Everybody wash their face. Forgot the nose ring was in my nose. Nose ring drop out, sir. So I came out, tell the first day to put it in. We watched videos how to try to push it back in. First day was going like she was doing a surgery on me. Couldn't go back in.
But why?
Try.
Why couldn't go back in?
Because it's twisted.
It was one of those ones that had a hook.
With a hook, like you have to get it into a certain thing and then hook it in and then turn it around.
It wasn't just a straight
It was a
down.
straight one.
It was like to put it in and then hook it. Oh my god, I've never seen that before, so I'm used to the old school straight book in.
First they give me an X-ray, surgery, everything. And first they said, you know what? Let me go check if this place is still open. She Googled it was still open. Went right over there and let them go do it. It was hell to put it in.
So I made the fries and because I thought we were gonna eat, and I put them in a warmer, and it's not the same. Fries, you have to eat them right away. As soon as you fry them or bake them, eat it right, because when they sit there, it doesn't have the same taste. So I'm not yum that.
You let me done 2 sandwiches for you?
I'm finished.
Too sangry.
Why you not watching yourself?
When you give me some of my food, you're not giving me nice food. You hear me? Don't want your food. You damn pork, you starve with the pork.
I don't know what you're saying.
You know what I'm done. I finished 2 sangry before her. Hey, that boy. What happened?
They don't come to see me eat. They come to see you eat for you check the food. They come to hear me chat. So, right?
No.
Tell the truth, family.
No. No. You eat. They know you eat slow. Eat slow and eat. Very don't care. Very don't give a damn. Very don't care. That's how you both do it. Got to sandwich for this house.
You can tell me the truth. I know you guys don't come here watching me eat. Don't come here to watch Richie yamming food because when Richie eat his food,
Wow. I like my food.
yeah, you lick your fingers about 10 times.
That's right. 10 times. Had the food nice. If I wasn't licking my finger, the food wouldn't be good.
That's true.
I'm not faking that the food tastes good. I know the food tastes good. You know what I'm saying?
It's like bread.
That's why. Same thing. When I go just doing, when they give me the bread, I just put it to the side meat.
Meat you want. It's the meat you shall get.
This was good. I'm gonna lie. If I say it wasn't good, I'd be lying.
Oh, it's good.
That was good.
The meat. Oh, that's spicy. It's hot. The meat was really good. Nice and seasoned, like Richie said, and it was soft and tender.
Yeah, when I came in, I tasted.
Yeah.
You came and said, "Damn!" Oh, you was in the shower.
Yeah. It was tender.
Yeah.
I don't know why I expected it to be like chewy or something. I don't know why, but top round is the way to go.
Yo, I came in that taste piece, a taste piece, and then the onions too. I said, "God damn, this joint seasoned up right."
When you taste the onions.
Same time I taste the meat.
I like this guy.
I said, yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this salad.
Ooh, excuse me, what a pig I am. Piggy.
Okay, I'm coming.
Wow.
I know y'all want to see this stuff. I'm coming. Hold on. Let me full enjoy my sandwich.
Yum your food, man.
Wow. You asked him how the weekend was?
Honey, I'm sitting right next to you.
You asked
Oh my god.
You asked him how the weekend was?
No, this gotta stop. I'm sitting.
I had my earpiece in.
No, this gotta stop. Seriously. My god.
Probably I got my earpiece. I'm listening to music. Alright.
You don't have to rush eat your food now.
I'm not rushing.
Oh,
My food done.
Take your time and yum your food, my youth.
My food done, my youth.
Oh, a little piece of liver here.
I'm saying. No piece of mommy?
I'm full. I am full.
Okay.
Ooh.
Family, we're about to clean up. Stop peeking your way. Okay, good. We made your way. We're gonna clean up and come back, okay?
Okay, family, we are back and we have 2 gifts, and both of these gifts are from Sharon Johnson
in the building, aka we appreciate you. You know that.
So, honey, are you gonna do your wow of the day first?
What?
No, that's all right.
Yeah. All right.
So money is loading up.
Yo, I love when we get gift. Sharon Johnson, we appreciate you. All right. For that, listen to this wow, okay? And for all the other family members waiting,
what?
Can't talk. Family, sometimes I can't talk good, but you understand. You know that already. If you're rocking, you know that already. For all the other family members that's been waiting, here we goes. First lady, listen. When you can't control what's happening, challenge yourself to control the way you respond to what's happening. Right?
You know, when you say these things and it relates to you, I have to ask if you're following them because, you know,
that's where your power is. Yeah, I didn't finish yet. Alright? You love chat. But yo, when I say my word of wisdom, don't have no 2 cents to put into it, okay?
Yes, sir.
All
sorry.
right.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Did y'all hear that one? Because first lady come in and butt in again.
I'm sorry.
Did they hear it good?
No.
Alright, listen family.
Sorry.
When you can't control what's happening, challenge yourself to control the way you respond to what's happening. That's where the power is. Please don't do that again, okay? Alright, y'all been waiting, so I know this is what y'all come here for. Cause you're ready for the bushwatchers. For the bushwatchers, here we go. Alright, what we got first lady?
God,
first one. Alright, pick up that one. Open that one first lady. Oh yeah, Sharon Johnson. This package came in perfect condition.
Immaculate.
Immaculate. Alright. Don't tell me because I needed it. Hey!
Hey! Ooh!
See? You was
Yes.
listening. You was listening.
Ooh!
I love Mountain Dew too. How you know? Listen.
Yes!
Wait a minute,
There's no notes. A gift for you. Enjoy your gift. This is for you and First Lady to enjoy from Sharon Johnson.
Oh, that's what it was today. Damn, I thought you was never gonna say that. It was for me as First Lady. But
Yes.
it's so good. I love Mountain Dew also. But Sharon Johnson, seem like you know what we like.
That me I said.
No,
You
for
spying
real.
on us?
You spying on us? No.
Couldn't spy.
Couldn't spy. We know we have to go meet for Sharon Johnson for real.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we're gonna come meet you. We're gonna have to meet you.
Because Sharon Johnson,
She say a lot of stuff. I think you live in our neighborhood.
we need to meet up.
We need to meet up. Hit us up on the email or
Instagram.
But email us and let us know. We want to come see you. Okay? All right. You're open that one first, lady.
Alright. Man, you boss it to that door.
Open that one, Demar. You
Say you boss it for that.
I go on, take my drink out of my drink.
Oh yeah, I can't. I have bad wrist.
Yeah, but I got soda wrist right now.
Can't open this. Oh, I got bad wrist, honey.
It's the mini for me.
This is a big box, guys.
Big one.
This
And this was in perfect condition too.
This baby love. I told you I have bad wrist. You
Damn.
don't have bad wrist. I can't open
Yo,
it.
it's like day one. Nobody get up in this joint. So
That's
what
what I'm saying.
Oh!
Hey!
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 Hey! They're making a note in there?
Yeah, but check it.
Hey!
Two notes missing.
2 notes?
Make sure something else in there.
Miss nothing wrong with
Because
saying
Miss Sharon Johnson be hiding stuff in there.
We don't want. Hey, family, you see it? Can't wait to use it.
Yes, we needed a new one.
We needed one, definitely.
If you only knew, the one that was eating on was hanging on this last limb.
Hanging on this last limb till we have to crazy glue it like that girl that put crazy glue in her hair.
Enjoy. Enjoy your gifts. Hope these arrive not damaged. Let me know from Sharon Johnson. In
Perfect condition.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sharon Johnson. Highlight us in the email or Instagram. Because we're going to meet you. We want to meet you definitely. So let us know what's up. If like, comment, subscribe. And if you're new, welcome to the... Stop rushing me. You make a mistake when I rush me. I don't like to be rushed. And if you're new, welcome to the greedy couple. This is First Lady, a.k.a. Shanice. A.k.a. Richie. A.k.a. Pastor Richie and Chatty Shanice. I can't chat your free.
Whatever. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang.
Yeah. Ready?
Yes.
Bye.